Good evening, everybody. I'm sure it's been a very eventful evening. And after a 2-hour-long show, I'm quite certain a short speech of mine may seem exceedingly long, so I try to keep it shorter than planned. Now, firstly, I would like to thank everyone here in the audience tonight. It is your presence that makes this evening so successful. I also take this opportunity to acknowledge the contribution made by the jury that has not only given their valuable time, but also brought in wealth of experience and expertise into the entire process of judging. And above all, I would like to thank the participants. It's your trust in the merit of the awards and your overwhelming response year after year that has made this initiative of Retail Management Group so successful. I would like to congratulate the nominees of 2009. You guys are as much winners as everyone else. I'm sure the jury would agree that it is no mean feat to have established yourselves amongst the top few names in the country today. And finally, I would like to congratulate the winners of Retail Jeweller India Awards 2009. Your work exemplifies the best that this industry has to offer today. And most of all, as we all know that these are no ordinary times in business, what your work establishes most firmly is that extraordinary times do require extraordinary efforts. Congratulations from the Retail Jeweller India team. And I have a couple of few more thank yous to go. The show wouldn't have been possible without Hugo at the backstage. Of course, Samir for his high-quality production job. Shakir for his amazing choreography. Sajida Varji and Asif Merchant for giving so much character to the jewelry. And finally, of course, Ali for flying down all the way from London to host our show. Ladies and gentlemen, I would request all the winners of Retail Jeweller India Awards 2009 to come up on stage for a photo op. And audience, one last round of applause for the big achievers of tonight.